Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor Classes, and in our this particular video we will be learning how we can create user defined function in Python. Okay, already we have seen lots of inbuilt functions present in Python for various computations. Many times it may require to execute a particular part of the code again and again. Okay, so we can keep that particular code as function. Whenever we require, we will call that function and we will be using that, right? So how to define one function? You have to start writing with def, which means you are defining the definition of the function you are giving. That is short form is def. Okay, then function name. Okay, any name you can give. Then inside parentheses you need to pass the data which you want to process using your function. Okay, so argument 1, argument 2, argument 3, any number of argument you can give, right? Then don't forget to give colon. Okay, then here you give statements using which you want to process the data you passed using the argument. Okay, so statement 1, okay, statement 2, statement 3, and so on it will go. No need to give semicolon if you don't want. If you want, you can give. And as soon as you break this indentation, that is here, observe cursor is blinking. If cursor blinks here, all these things will come under function definition. But if you come outside this particular block, that means if you break the indentation, then Python will understand, okay, our function definition is up to this only, right? Then if you want, you can give some return statement if you want to return some data, otherwise you can ignore. Okay, like here you can write return the data which you want to return. So this is kind of one simple structure or template of user defined function. Now we'll be learning with some examples. Okay, first of all, simple example where there is no return statement, right? I am defining one function, suppose def simple. Okay, I'll start with simplest function where I will not be passing any argument. Okay, so what I'll be doing, simply opening the parenthesis and close the parenthesis, then give colon, and if I will not return anything also. Suppose I am writing print hello function, that's all. Okay, so we have to run this, and anytime, suppose after defining the function you have done some computation like 5 plus 6 equal to 11, and after some time you need to require this function. How you call this function? Give the function name and give parenthesis open parenthesis closed. If you are passing any argument, that data you need to pass here. Okay, that will be captured here and that will be processed. So as here in our this particular simple function we are not passing anything, so no need to give any argument. If we run, we will be directly getting hello function, which is basically what the user defined function is doing here. All right, now next case, suppose I want some arithmetic computation. Okay, so def, suppose my function name is es, suppose arg, or I can simply give simple names like t comma s. Okay, right? Then suppose print t plus s. All right, so if you run, then like here, suppose I want to call my function, I'll be writing the function name and two data piece of data I will be passing 5 and 6. So what should be the outcome? It will return basically 5 plus 6, which is 11. If you run, you will be getting 11. So directly we are printing here, right? Now you may not need always to directly print. You may capture that data in some variable. That time you can use return statement. Like I am showing you here, def rg and some any argument name I am giving us rs. Okay, all right. Then return us minus rs into 2. Okay, just I have given function randomly. Now rg our function, and suppose 5 comma 2 I am passing, right? Now as we are returning the output that is the whatever mathematical this particular expression will give us as output, that we are returning. So to capture that return value, we will be storing in some variable. Suppose a is equal to rg of 5 comma 2, right? Now what should be outcome? 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, if we run, and then here if we print s, we will be getting 6. So this is how returning can be done in function, right? So these are basically fundamentals about function in Python. I hope you have understood this. This is all for my this video. In my next video, I will discuss some more concepts related to functions in Python. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed till now. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.